everyone, this is Lauren Rentschler with the Yateman Group in Long and Foster. I'd like to welcome you to this gorgeous custom home built by James River Custom Homes. Oftentimes when a customer builds a house, we don't get to see the finished product and the touches that they put on it personally. Oftentimes we deliver it as a blank slate and canvas to their house. I'd like to give a special thanks to the Fertig Perez family for allowing us into their home today. So let's take a look inside. The Saluda Floorplan with James River Custom Homes starts at 3,000 square feet, but with customizations, we're able to grow this as big as you want. This one right now is 31 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Originally, this was a dining room, but now we've changed it into an amazing speakeasy. Attention to detail can sometimes be challenging when building a custom home. That's why with James River Custom Homes, you've got the Yateman Group's design team on your side to help you pick all those little pieces, such as what kind of bathtub do you pick, or what kind of light fixture, or even down to the plumbing. Homes like this are perfect for entertaining with bringing the outdoors in. With this covered porch featuring a quad sliding door that fits seamlessly into the wall, as well as a fireplace and a room for TV, fall and summer nights here are perfection. In today's world, families are often looking for multiple places to hang out besides just the family room. This loft area is perfect for the kids to do homework, watch movies, or just relax. Thank you so much for taking a tour with us today in this gorgeous floor plan by James River Custom Homes. For any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 804 New Home. This is Lauren Rentschler with the Yateman Group. Thanks for coming.